24 hold. Stand Roger, QFE 1014. 1014.
Buchons check-in. Buchons also taxiing 24.
Buchons.
Buchons rolling in 1 minute.
And that will be followed off by the two Hispano Buchons, which will be taking this route after the aeroplane we just seen right there.
Golf Echo Kilo, Golf Echo Kilo, Roger, Duxford using 24, QFE 1014. Golf Echo Kilo, Roger, goodbye.
Many manufacturers were flat out using the likes of Americans and Spitfires. Further fighter procurement was deemed necessary, and the British Purchasing Commission set about securing that
Buchons rolling in 5 seconds.
What they didn't want
And service is 180 degrees, 7 knots, maximum 12.
with a new design that immediately showed outstanding qualities in terms of performance. Originally chosen for North American's new fighter was the Allison B-17, an outstanding aero engine, and one with which the early Mustangs, including the A36 attack variant, were rapidly proving their worth. With the Allison engine, North American's new design was indeed an outstanding aeroplane at low level and carried on being for a significant part of the war, especially in the ground attack and low-level tactical reconnaissance roles. But at high altitude, the Allison engine's performance was somewhat lacking. One of the Allison engine Mustangs came to Duxford, stationed here for a good part of World War II, before the Americans moved in 1943, was an RAF unit called the Air Fighting Development Unit. It's tasked to refine tactics and procedures for new types entering service. The aircraft came here and was flown both by the commanding officer of that unit, Ian Campbell-Ord, and a Rolls-Royce pilot named Ronnie Harker, a great friend of Campbell-Ord. Harker acted as the engine manufacturer's liaison with by Rolls-Royce engines. Both of them were of the view that the performance of the new North American fighter would be transformed were a Rolls-Royce Merlin engine to be installed. At its factory, just such an installation. And it was 80 years ago this year that the first Merlin Mustang took to the air. The combination was an immediate success. Soon, Merlin engine Mustangs were in production, albeit powered by Merlins not produced by Rolls-Royce itself, but by the American automobile manufacturer Packard. And so one of the great fighter success stories was born, with the outstandingly aerodynamically slippery Mustang airframe mated to the Merlin engine. Thus was produced a fighter that was able to operate at high altitudes and over long ranges. In short, one of the great escort fighters.
And Mustang from SDG, commence display when ready.
Roger, display when ready, we'll call running in, Mustang.
All of this stemming from that encounter at RAF Duxford during 1942. And so it was very appropriate that Mustangs came to be stationed here.